Sheldon, it took me all.
Stop it. Hey, you guys are hungry. Why didn't you order something at the restaurant?
You did. You never bought it.
Stop.
Oh, that's right. Nachos and a turkey club.
Not even close.
Well,
Now I
was
just
too
have
busy
regular
standing up
hiccups.
for my
Thank you very
friend to
much.
worry about your, I want to say, salmon.
You want to say sorry.
So how are you gonna tell Raj about what you did?
What do you mean, how? What's the big deal?
You told Lucy it was a pathetic mess.
And you made her cry and leave.
Okay, you guys are overreacting. Raj is going to appreciate how I had his back.
What is wrong with you, Benny? You ruined any chance I had of getting back with Lucy. Now she knows I'm a desperate mess instead of just being pretty sure. Lucy, she wants to meet for coffee. I love you, Benny! Hey, what are you working on? I'm thinking about how one could use the fact that a rapidly rotating mirror turns virtual photons into real ones as a method of observing dark energy. It's a pretty cool idea. Yeah, it's great you're here. I'd love to get an engineer's opinion. Sure. This chair is squeaky.